Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we will learn how we can use ChatGPT on Mac. So basically, ChatGPT is a powerful natural processing tool that has been developed by OpenAI. Its advanced language model capabilities can generate human-like responses to text inputs or even the text based on user requests. So to use ChatGPT on Mac, we will be using MatGPT. So MatGPT is a version of ChatGPT designed explicitly to use ChatGPT on your Mac devices. So the first step is to download the MacGPT. So you can simply go to my website, and I will share all the download links in the video description below. So you can simply click on this file and download it. So I have already downloaded it for you. So once the file has been downloaded, simply right click on it, hover to open with, and you can use any unarchiver. So once the file has been unarchived, you can see that there is an application by the name MacGPT. So simply double click on it and click open. So as you can see that the ChatGPT interface has been implemented with this MacGPT. So you can simply log into your account, or if you don't have an account, you can simply sign up. So since I have an account, I am clicking login. So you can simply use your email ID and enter your password. So as you can see that the ChatGPT window is now open, and now you can interact with ChatGPT based on any user inputs. So if you want to make any changes or customize this, you can simply click on the settings as well and make the modifications as required. So I hope that this tutorial was helpful. So do like, share and subscribe, and we hope to see you in our next video. Thank you.